Hello viewers, well just coming into Gloucester, just on a day ride, bit of a reconnaissance run actually, going up to a village by the name of Bundook. Hope I've got that pronunciation correct. And yeah, sort of just getting familiar with the area up around there. Want to plan a few rides further afield, and yeah, just trying to get a feel for, if, you know, being able to loop around and get back, or overnighter, or whatever the case may be. So I'll get myself through Gloucester and yeah, catch up with you on the other side. Yeah, so on the row up I did stop and take some footage of the old bridge in Monkerai Bridge, timber truss, historic item. So I'll pop that in now before I get any further afield. Right, catch you on the way. Cheers. Yeah, just on the other side of Gloucester now, and stopped at Mograni Lookout. Just looking back over the township and the hills in the background. Barrington Tops over the back of the other hills there. Yeah, nice to get a bit of a clearer day. Been a little bit rainy this week, so it's good to be able to get out with out the wet weathers.
Everybody knew that we made moonshine. I'm a revenue man on a granddaddy bed, headed up a holler of everything I had. For my time, but out that toad, never come back from Copperhead Road. Painted on the side, just shot a coat of primer and looked inside. Well, him and my uncle tore that engine down. I still remember that rumbling sound. Then the sheriff came around in the middle of the night, heard mama crying that something wasn't right. Headed down to Knoxville with a weekly load. You can smell a whiskey burning down Copperhead Road. First round here in a way. I done 2 tours of duty in Vietnam. I came home with a brand new plane. I take the seed from Colombia, Mexico. I just planted up a holler down Copperhead Road. He's got a chopper in the air, we got screaming like I'm back over there. I learned a thing or two from Charlie, don't you know? You better stay away from Copperhead Road. Copperhead Road. Copperhead Road. Copperhead Road.
Well, just coming through Bundook, small village, and just going to head out of town a little bit and check out some of the other roads. You might have to come to some gravel roads eventually.
About his head because he
Okay viewers, just heading on my way back from Bundook to Gloucester, and then I'll be heading for home just as the XPT New South Wales train comes from Brisbane through to Sydney. That's pretty good timing. But yeah, really a bit of a bits of video this one. As I said, it was more just a bit of a fact-finding mission to set me up for some future rides. So, but just with a bit of diversity in countryside. Yeah, well, the battery cut out before I could say thanks guys for watching and catch you next time. I was a bit disappointed. Battery ran out when that train was going through, and I caught up with it a couple of times going through cuttings and crossings and over bridges and all sorts of things. So that would have added a little bit more to the footage. But once again, thanks for watching. It's been a bit of a short one, and yeah, catch you next time around. Cheers guys, thanks.